Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle, the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 8th, 2023. Already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and a binary. So one puzzle is left. That's the Tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one will be number 7415. Before start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. We have only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here only one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes? I see here only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. Next question, do we have here quadruple boxes? I see here a quadruple box, there's a quadruple box, and here a quadruple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Here also cannot fill those numbers. How about here? Well, can also not fill the numbers. So my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about a T shape? We have the T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, the T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yeah, we have a 2 T shapes in this puzzle. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2, and that box is a 4. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, next shape. Do we have more shapes? Yeah, this one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 3 shapes that you need to recognize. Only 3. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. We have another 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Then this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. And now, well, I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. We have a 2 there. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. It's connected with that box should be so 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. This box can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 5 there because it's connected with that box should be also 5, but we already have a 5 here. Not the solution to place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Of course, it's connected with each other and also connected with that box should be also 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. Because otherwise, if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. And we already have a 1 here. So the 1 is supposed to be here. Okay. This box can be a 4. And this box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. Excuse me. I need to sneeze. 3 times. A lady. Alright. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. Is connected with that box should be so 3. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2 and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. That means that this box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And this box can be 2. So that box can be 2. 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And the 5 goes here. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This box can be 2. This box can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes together as a pair. So if eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That means that this box can also not be a 3, because we need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. 3 boxes. Only place left for the 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Okay. And now, this box can be 3, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. But also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. This box can be 2, we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay, I think this box should be 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there, because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here, or a 2 in the same area. So not the solution place to do 2 there, only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. Okay, this box cannot be a 5, because we have a double 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 5. But it cannot be a 5, because it's a quarter box, so it should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 number left in this T-shaped area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, and now this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So here we have a 1 and 3. The other pair should be the 2 and the 4. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. But also this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be here. And is connected with that box, should be also 5. For the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for myself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.